Only Plumbing is your plumbing superhero. We swoop in to rescue your pipes and drains from clogs and leaks. Our team of dedicated plumbers is equipped with the latest tools and knowledge to handle any plumbing emergency. We pride ourselves on providing fast, efficient, and affordable services, leaving your home or business running smoothly. When plumbing problems strike, there's only one name to remember. Contact our plumber today for consultation. Are you looking for a plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Only Plumbing. How do I hire a local plumber? The secret to choosing a plumber is to study local and national businesses, read reviews, and request referrals from family and friends for trustworthy plumbers they have used in the past. Should I get a quote from a plumber? Having said that, wait until a plumber gives you an estimate before hiring them, and be sure you intend to keep to that estimate all the way through. What is your plumber area for the Newnan, Georgia office? Our local plumber has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Newnan, Rica, Greenville, Peachtree City, Corinth, Riverside, Roopville, Senoia, Hogansville, Palmetto, Grantville, Raymond, East Newnan, Arnco Mills, Moreland, Georgia. Where is your Newnan, Georgia plumber services located? We are located at 535 Pine Road No. 109 Newnan, Georgia 30263. Our phone number is 770-683-1550. Visit our website, https://www.onlyplumbing.co/